How you doing?
Hi, officer.
Patrolman Taylor, CY Police. Just so you know, my body camera's on. Just your license, registration, insurance.
My license is expired. I'm getting a new one because I couldn't get it through COVID.
Okay.
I will give you my...
If you have the expired one, I'll take that.
I do have it.
Okay.
Sorry, officer. I'm sorry, I have a lot of papers.
That's okay.
Here's my insurance. Thank you. And my registration, my house burned down, and my registration was down. I'm trying to get it with my license.
Okay. Do you know if it's...
No, it's valid.
It's valid.
Yeah,
but,
it's valid. But it's coming together.
But this is just expired?
Yeah, they're both.
Of
Because my house
2020?
burned down. Yeah, my house burned down, and the new ones... No, my house burned down, and both of the things are coming in the mail.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have your license?
I'm not even driving.
You don't have your seatbelt on. Just your license.
I do have my license, but am I gonna get like a ticket for it?
I mean, it depends with how we do this. If you're gonna be,
I thought you were supposed to ask for license.
Listen, if you're gonna be cool and give me your ID, I'm not gonna give you a ticket. All right?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You can keep that.
Yeah. My insurance on
Okay. Reason for the stop.
There you go, love. I apologize.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Reason for the stop. You were kind of you were going over this white line
I'm
a few
sorry.
times.
Because I don't have a mirror, and
Okay.
my mirror broke.
Do you
and
have
it's
an-
kind of
okay.
hard for me to, like, I'm trying to, but I'm waiting for that too.
Okay, no
Because
problem.
I have a lot of things going on right now, and the mirror is coming.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. All right, just give me 1 minute, all right?
All right.
Where are you guys coming from today?
No, we was just coming from 7-Eleven, and we was going to drive to Five Below.
Five Below where?
Right here, and... Sorry.
Okay. Just from your driving, and I smell that odor of alcohol. It could be coming off him. I'm just gonna have you step out. I'm just gonna run you through a few tests, all right? Just make sure you're okay to drive. You can stand right there. What's your highest level of education?
Bachelor's?
Bachelor's? Okay. You know the English alphabet?
Of
A to
course.
Z. Okay. Without seeing the common song, recite it, A to Z.
Just right.
Yep.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, H, R, N, no, W, H, Y, H, C.
Okay. I'm gonna run you through another test. Just stay right there. You're gonna put your feet to. Do you have anything wrong with your legs at all?
I did fall a couple of times, and I have some injuries on my left side.
Okay.
Especially
Are
on my
there
left side. Not the right side, but more of the left side.
Okay. Are the shoes gonna affect you at all from walking
you want me
tests?
to take you off?
Either way,
Like,
it's up to
they
you.
have like a little bolt. They're bolted on.
Okay, it's up to you. So you're gonna keep your hands at your side, feet together. I'm gonna just demonstrate it before you begin, all right? First test, you're gonna raise either foot of your choosing, approximately 6 inches off the ground.
Okay.
You're gonna count out loud, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, until I tell you to stop,
Okay.
all while looking at your toe and keeping your hands at your side.
Can I just open my legs a little bit?
Okay, we want to thank Morgan & Morgan for sponsoring this body cam video. I mean, I think it's pretty clear from the body cams that we cover that it's not always safe out there. When you're hurt, it can be confusing. It can be scary. You don't really know where to turn. Well, Morgan & Morgan is actually the largest injury law firm in America. And at a time when you already have so much to think about, they're going to make it super easy for you. They have completely modernized the process because you submit your claim, you sign contracts, you upload documents, you talk to your whole legal team all on your phone. That's it. An attorney is going to review your case in just 8 clicks. Also, they have 4,000 support staff that can help you too, which is just amazing to think about. And in terms of price, well, you only pay them if you win. There's no upfront fee. So if you're injured and you want to join the over 3 million people that call them every year, you can submit a claim at www.forthepeople.com/LCBodycam or by dialing #law. That's pound 529 on your phone.
Like this.
So when you, that's fine.
All right. So 1,002. I have less balance on this leg because my left leg is weaker than my right leg.
You could choose.
So maybe it should be this.
You could choose either leg.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000.
You can stop. All right, next test. I'm gonna just give us 1 sec. There's people crossing. I'm just gonna move your shoes a little to the side.
Yeah.
Next test, I'm gonna demonstrate it. Just put your feet together, hands at your side, while I demonstrate. This is called the walk and turn. You're gonna keep your hands at your side. Do steps, heel to toe.
Like lunges?
Nope, heel to toe. So
You're going to do like this. 9 steps forward, 9 steps back. So 1,
Right, that's it. Okay.
1 step. You're going to turn around like this. And do 9 steps back.
So I
1,
count 9.
yep, counting out loud, keeping your hands at your side.
9 forward, 9, and then
9
turn
back.
around slowly and do 9 back.
Gotcha.
Count on each step out loud. Okay, begin whenever you wish. You understand the test now?
Yes, I do.
Okay, here we go. Get on top.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to play around.
9 steps back.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Where were you coming from today?
I was at Seabright, but then we went to a 7-Eleven to get a charger, and we couldn't find one, so we were driving to Five Below to get a charger.
Where were you at Seabright?
At the beach.
What part of the beach?
Well, we checked into the tiki, but then we went to the beach. Because obviously the tiki is just like one thing, but then the sun came out, it was raining before, and then we just decided we could go to the beach.
Okay. How many drinks have you had today?
I had like 1, but then that was it, because obviously we know that we can't drink no more, and we was gonna watch the fireworks. However, we needed a charger, so we decided to leave to get a charger, but they said that we could watch the fireworks from Long Branch, perhaps that way, because they come from this way.
Okay.
So, you know, like,
What drink did you have?
I had, it was just vodka and cranberry.
Okay.
Where are you guys from?
I'm from,
Is that where you're from today?
well, not now. We were gonna go after the fireworks, like, after the whole show. Not now. We just came to get a charger, literally, because we didn't have one. So, like, my charger stopped working. I needed one. I went to 7-Eleven to get one, and we couldn't find one. So it says Five Below. It's like less than a few miles. So we decided to go there, but it's not like, you know, like we're just going back home and just hanging out here for the meantime. And so,
Okay. You can put your shoes back on.
thank you.
All right. I'm just gonna have you turn around. Do you have a bathing suit under that,
Yes,
or is
I
it?
do.
Okay. Just put your hands behind your back.
Your hand comfy?
Yes. So you're being placed for under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
Why would you tell me that afterwards?
Okay, just
So who would take my car?
it's getting towed. It's the law to get towed.
Can I call somebody?
It still gets towed for 12 hours. I'm sorry.
Like friends?
It still gets towed. Just loosen up your hand. Give me 1 sec. Yeah, so you could get, yeah. So when we finish, yeah, so when we finish processing you,
Can I talk to him so that he could like?
Yeah.
Oh, fat.
Hold on.
Wait, for what?
Hold on.
He's saying that I'm getting like arrested for driving intoxicated. Can you call Martha and Cindy?
That's what I was calling. I called Shane. He not answering.
Call
Well,
Martha.
I don't know her number.
We'll grab your phone and your wallet. And your,
What's her number? What's her number? Do you know her number?
Get my phone. Please. Open it.
I don't have the code.
No, just open it with these.
Okay. What's her number?
So,
Where is she?
Right there, where it says receipt.
This one?
Yeah,
This
phone.
one?
Yeah, phone. Yeah, I want to know.
Were you here Memorial Day weekend?
Yeah, he was.
I just got here.
No, were you here
Yeah.
Memorial Day weekend?
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you were. Yeah, you were.
I look like a lot of
Remember you don't remember us?
But like, why would you like arrest me? Like, I'm not. Like, you could take my car, you could give me a ticket, but like, why would you like arrest me? I'm not doing anything.
We're just gonna walk to the car.
Like, that's just. Can you tell me why? Besides, like, the
So
fact that
from
you
your
think-
test, we concluded that you were driving. Huh? Thanks.
Yeah, you could just talk to me. I just want him to call somebody.
We're gonna grab your phone. Do you need
Yeah, no.
anything else? Your
No,
purse?
he has my wallet. Do I need anything else besides him having my wallet and my phone?
I have it.
Yeah, it is.
I have it.
Okay. No, I'm talking. Before I go in there, because it's super hot. So like before we leave.
The AC's on in there.
Oh.
Do you have another question?
Yeah, like you could take me or whatever, but are you gonna release me? I don't live around here.
So-
and he can't drive my car, but somebody else could come pick up my car.
So-
just like let me know what is the procedure so
Sure.
that
So
he knows.
okay, I'll tell you. And he's telling him right now. So the car will get towed. For 12 hours. You can pick it up 12 hours from now.
Even though I'm not a driver.
Yeah. It's just the law. And then when we're done processing you, you could call whoever you want and they could come pick you up. They do have to be sober. But
Right.
whenever that
Can I
person...
just make sure that he's gonna call him? Because I don't know if he's really
He
gonna-
is. And we'll grab your phone for you.
Can
so
you
you
ask
can,
him again? Please ask him, please.
His driver's license?
Yeah.
But he's not driving.
No, I know.
So just
Here,
please.
get in the car. We'll figure it all out.
Can you just make sure he's gonna call somebody because I don't know if he is.
Yeah, and we'll grab your phone so you could call as well.
Okay. As long
Alright.
as you grab my phone. But can you make him grab the number?
One question. I know. Let me say where you're from, because I'm going to do everything in my power to get you out of here. I need to know your code, because if it locks, then I'm
Can you
stranded.
do me a favor?
What's your code?
You got Martha's number. That's the only person you need to
I
call.
don't have her number.
Take it down.
I'm calling her. She's not picking up.
Text me.
None of your friends are picking up. I'm here. But what can I really do?
Nothing. Just wait.
Please leave your message.
Text her.
Who should I
text
call?
her.
No. Think about it. Think rationally.
Well, we'll take her phone so she could call at
I
Medicators.
kind of
But where would
personally don't want
they
you
take? But
guys
where
to
would
go.
you take
Okay.
him? But where
I'm
would
a-
you take him?
Well, you,
Me? I'm good.
No, they're gonna take my car.
I
So
know,
take
and
your
I'm a
stuff
walk,
out.
and I'll make my way. I'll call an Uber to the precinct.
Well,
I'll
they
tell my
could give
sister
you a
to-
ride.
But where's the precinct?
Could you give me a ride to the precinct?
Here, I'm gonna.
Thank you.
Wait, can you do me a favor?
It's good things I was
I'm
here.
not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna tell you one thing. My friend
I
said
need to know
that
your
he
code,
said
though.
that he was a good shooter, right? This was during the NBA
I know
playoffs.
exactly what you're talking about.
Yes, I know. But he was talking about the NBA playoffs, not because
Yes,
he's a
that was
shooter.
me.
And I told him that was very stereotyped because he was
Did you
black,
call us out,
African
yeah?
American.
No, he wasn't. He was Spanish.
No, he was African American.
40. I have your wallet as well.
It's super hot.
You come this way. It's gonna be right here.
You know what's the lesson of the day? Don't come to Seabright. Because my friend, he got arrested the other day. On Memorial Day weekend. The guy that you guys were talking about. Because he said he was a shooter and he was talking about the playoffs. And he really got stereotyped because he's an African American, white looking male. And that is a fact. And look what he said. He said he's not African American. He is 100% African American. He just has light hair and light eyes. He's a yellow bone African American. And he got stereotyped because he said he was a shooter. And they didn't know that he was talking about being an NBA shooter. Like, oh my God, I'm a 3-point shooter. And they took it as he's a shooter, like a real shooter.
No,
Just because he mentioned that.
no, I was there. That's not how it went. I'm just gonna have you sit down on the bench. Right
Oh,
here.
you're going to grab my stuff.
Yep. Are you left hand or right hand?
Right. That's just insane. And you know what I told me? I was like, oh, you should get a lawyer and you should dispute that out of racial profiling. Because if a white person would have said that, it wouldn't have looked at it like that. And I want to know and I'm not a racial person, and I work in the county, of my county, in the courthouse. And I want to know if a white person would have pulled up that way, if you guys would have did that, because now this is like a second type of stereotype situation with the same people. It could have been that you recognized us, that we was with him, and pulled us over knowing that.
I didn't know that.
You didn't know that, but your coworker did. And he was the one placed
He wasn't there.
which makes it biased. And that could be proven in court. And you know that. Which is weirder. Like, how is it that the same person that racially profiled my friend and could recognize us because he got racially profiled, recognize us and then try to charge us with another charge in the same town?
What's your occupation?
Court liaison.
Are you sick?
Huh?
Are you sick?
No.
No. Are you under the care of a doctor?
No, just like a regular primary doctor.
Okay. Are you taking any medication?
No.
Do you have diabetes or taking insulin?
No.
No. Are you injured at all?
I am injured. I have
Your shoulder,
left shoulder, right shoulder, left leg, right leg. I got into several car accidents, so I've taken physical therapy. I've had surgeries, and I've had what are they called? The shots. It's like the neck and the back.
Is he going?
Yeah.
No, he's not going to. No, you go ahead outside. I thought it was exclusive like that.
No. She refused.
Okay, I still have the machine.
Yeah. Can you grab my other ticket book? It's in my bag.
You want to call me? He was trying to call. I'll call
No,
people.
nobody answered him.
No, he had somebody answer him.
Okay.
So he said someone might be coming by.
That's okay.
Maybe like 40 minutes.
But my car is still gonna stay here for 12 hours, so it
Yes,
makes no
ma'am.
difference.
Yes.
And I will have to figure that out tomorrow.
You can come pick it up tomorrow morning by 6 a.m.
Yeah, that's what she said. But obviously they got work. And
I just need her driver's license for this machine.
what is the time do they close? Because I literally work from 8:30 to 4:30.
We can, as soon as you come to.
And I can pay over the phone, but most likely I'll be here Thursday. Because today was a holiday and I'm not gonna get paid today, I'm gonna get paid tomorrow night.
Okay.
So by the time I get paid and I can come put on my car, it'll be Thursday.
Okay. So regardless of what time you come,
They charge per day.
yeah, that's separate from us. We don't get any
Right.
of that stuff.
Right.
So what we do is we call them up and be like, hey, listen, this person's coming to get their vehicle, so they'll man the yard.
They'll have
release.
somebody here.
Exactly.
Yeah, because I really don't have nobody to bring me here until after people get out of work.
I got you.
You still have your body cameras on or no?
No, because I'm just doing.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. He's still here, so he didn't leave you.
And
There you go.
listen, no offense to anybody, but I will blatantly say this. It's just crazy how like you put people. I literally have a missing mirror, so obviously I can't see on the left side where the lines are, which is like already like a red flag towards your judgment, which obviously you guys have a judgment as police officers, what you do because you're looking from the back. You're not looking through any other direction. You're looking from behind, and that's how it looks like from behind. That's one. Two, the fact that you even said that you recognized us.
No,
well, not
I
me.
recognized him.
Him, not me. But you recognized him from Memorial Day weekend, which means like there's already like that's weird.
I didn't recognize him.
Now my friend who got stopped.
I didn't recognize him until he opened his mouth and started talking.
Now my friend that got stopped, the guy, he is not Spanish. He is not Puerto Rican. He is not
So
Dominican.
he gets stopped.
He is black. He got arrested here. He got arrested
Yeah,
here, and he had to get bailed out. Right, but he's not Puerto Rican.
But
He's
he
not
ain't
white.
stop.
He is African American.
Well,
And the fact, like, it
We also got a call about
and
it.
this just sounded crazy. Yeah, because the person who made the call was Caucasian. And like, and no offense to anybody, I work in the court system myself.
yes, I'm just gonna be honest with
I
you.
just feel like even
I'll
when
be
he told
honest
me the
here.
story,
I mean, I
Even
don't,
when
I
he
don't
told me the
necessarily
story-
owe you any explanation.
No, you don't.
I'll explain this to you. None of my friends, anybody I hang out with, look like me. Not one single
no,
one.
agreed.
None of them. Okay? And I have brothers and sisters that are 5 shades darker than you.
Right.
So, do not assume
But
things
this
you
was a
don't
conversation.
know. I
Not,
know.
I'm not even talking about like
So-
today. Before you even stopped me, this was a conversation that we had on Memorial Day weekend. And I told him, like, honestly, Shane, and I'm gonna say his name because
Yeah,
you know his
Shane,
name.
yeah.
Like, Shane. Honestly, Shane, I feel like you got racially profiled. Because I think that if a Caucasian person would have said that, nobody would have thought that he was a shooter. They only thought that he was a shooter because he said, oh, I will shoot. But it was during the NBA playoffs, and he was talking about the shooting in the game. And they honestly racially profiled because he looks mixed race.
No, you don't even know the full story. How many times
That's
you
the
found
story.
out?
That's the story.
Yeah, you weren't told the real story.
Yeah.
We were trying to get them out of town from 4 o'clock all the way
So
till
why you guys
9.
didn't try to get me out of town, quote unquote? Because what he was doing, let me tell you something.
He wasn't driving.
Somebody
Again, I don't think-
somebody
I don't think-
missing a yellow line versus somebody saying that they're gonna shoot people.
No,
shooting
he didn't say
people is
that.
kind of like
He
if
didn't say
I really
that.
thought somebody was gonna shoot somebody, I'd be scared for my life.
Let me explain something. He didn't say any of that stuff. He got into an argument with a bouncer and was told to leave the bar.
But
That
they
was
said
it.
because the person who saw him said that
Yeah, but
they heard him say
he didn't
that
get
he was a
locked up.
shooter. He did get locked up here for a few hours. He called us to come get him.
Yeah, but he didn't get locked up for that. He didn't get locked up for anything. He got locked up for like 2 hours later for something else.
So I had nothing to do with any of that situation.
No, not at all. I promise you.
We tried multiple
I
times.
tried to get him out of this town forever. I was like, just go home.
I don't. That's
I'm
what
being- I'm-
like, it's-
I'm
that's
being-
what it made it sound.
Yeah,
and like
listen.
honestly, like even that day, because I'll recall and I remember when you mentioned that name. I said, listen, if I was you, I would fight those tickets under racial profiling because there's no way that people will say that I'm a shooter, and it only looks
Yeah,
like
but
I'm a shooter because I'm mixed race.
Miss, he didn't get a ticket. He got a ticket for peeing.
They were going back and forth.
No, he.
They could have left
Hold
at
on.
the beginning.
He could have left.
They
We let
could've.
him leave.
Yeah,
we let him
they
leave.
did.
We
They
didn't give
did.
him nothing.
They did.
We told him to get in the car and leave.
Right.
And then someone peed right by the 7-Eleven out in public. Showed
Right.
everything while he was peeing.
And they stole from 7-Eleven supposedly for
Allegedly,
whatever.
I know nothing of that. And then he was peeing later on the side of the highway.
But my question now.
So that's it.
Now I'm gonna say all of that, right? I don't have a mirror. I went on the yellow line a little bit, and all of a
It was
sudden,
the white line on your passenger side.
right?
That's
And
what
all of a sudden,
you had.
I'm held more accountable than people that are having a whole ruckus in your town.
So plain and simple, he had some things outstanding that he had to take care of outside.
Outside of whatever you guys charge them.
We didn't. We charged. We
You
gave him a
charged him
ticket.
nothing?
We gave him a ticket. He got stuff that he had to take care of from other towns. So whatever he told you was completely fabricated.
I don't know.
I
We didn't come get him because we live too far.
No, I
To be
know.
honest.
I was here with him
And then
for
whoever
a long
came and
time.
got him, they paid an Uber to come here. He paid $250 to get an Uber to come get here, to come get his car, to come
Now, I
get
have a
everything.
question. Did he tell you that I got him taken care of out of 5 out of the 6 towns that he didn't have to pay nothing?
No, he mentioned it.
And I talked to
I'll
all
tell
of
you,
them.
we're just speaking about whatever happened here.
I know. I'm just telling you
I'm
that.
not going about them. I'm just saying, I just feel some type of way because, like I said, I have a missing mirror. I literally went to 7-Eleven. I was going to the block. That can happen to anybody. And the fact, like, it's just crazy because there's people here committing way bigger crimes and doing way things that are more skeptical that get charged with way less. Like, and it's just crazy.
I mean, that's.
And I know you guys know that. And I know you guys know that. But I hope that you guys also know that, as much as you know that, and your judgment is based on that, that you know that you are making people's lives way harder, and that the judicial system is crazy.
No, I'm gonna need it in a minute.
And I know that all of you guys know that here. And it's just crazy. I don't want to say nothing more, but that situation with Shane was crazy because that day he just made it seem that it was very profile.
No, believe me. Not at all. Do you have a valid driver's license?
That one's expired. But
It's
there is-
expired, yes.
It is valid.
I ordered a new one and
No, the door's
not
not.
working?
It won't scan. That's why.
yeah, either way.
You're good. You're good. I'll take care of it.
I had a fire in my house and my papers all burned. Sorry.
No, it's fine. It's my fault. I should have read it before I scanned it.
I need to take number 2.
I'll let you know. What's your age, miss?
38. My birthday was a few days ago.
I just have a few more questions for you.
Sure.
What kind of alcoholic drinks have you had?
I just had a cup of vodka with pineapple. And it was 1 cup.
Where?
At Seaburn, at the Donovan's Reef.
What was the time between each drink?
There was no each drink. I had just gotten there.
Alright.
And I could prove that because I took the money out of my
When did you have your first drink?
If I could go back to Cash App and tell you on Cash App. On top of that, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I had what is it called, the gastric sleeve. So obviously my stomach is a lot smaller than other people. So what made me seem to somebody else like a lot more, to me is nah.
I got you. Believe me, I found I was get it done. 23 SB what?
And I'll tell you right now the
02.
time.
852.
I'll tell you right now the time of my ATM withdrawal because let me see. It had to be like maybe 5:30, 6 o'clock between those times because I can't see the exact time. But it wasn't too far away from the time. Because I didn't even finish my drink. We went to go get a charger.
Middle initial. You.
A. Oh, me? E.
Our vape ran out of charge. So we went outside to go see if we had a charger compatible. We didn't, so we went to 7-Eleven to see if we had a charger that we could buy there. But he was charging $14 for the charger. So Five Below was down the block. So we decided to go drive, well not on the block, it was like less than a few miles. So we decided to go to Five Below.
Okay.
And that's when you stopped this.
Just another question. When did you finish your last drink?
I didn't finish it.
Alright. Yeah. What time did you finish eating today?
If we were here like around 5 or 6, maybe like around 3:34, like around 3:30, I would say.
3:30.
And I had, you want to know what I had?
Yeah, what did you eat?
I had a Blimpie's kids meal because I can't finish a whole
Oh,
meal.
what? Sorry.
A Blimpie's kids meal. I can't finish a whole meal. I told you I had a gastric sleeve a few years ago, so I can't finish a whole meal. So I had a Blimpie's kids meal, which is like a turkey with provolone, mayonnaise, lettuce, no tomato, a few onions, oil, vinegar, and salt. No, pepper, no salt. And I had that with a water and a bag of Doritos.
Cool Ranch?
No, regular. In the middle.
Have to have somebody sign for you that's gonna make sure you don't drive for 12 hours.
I'm not.
I understand that.
I have to take a train home.
Well, it's
We
either
have to.
it's either someone picks you up and signs for you, or you sit here for 12 hours until you're sober.
But this still doesn't mean I could release my car because I don't have the money to release my car here. Like I literally have to go home.
It's either you get a ride.
So Fab can't sign for me? He's not.
He's been
He's
drinking.
been drinking.
Yeah, but he's not intoxicated.
He's been drinking. So the thing is you have to have someone that's able to take the legal liability for you. And we can't allow someone to drink and sign for you. Like I said,
If you would have told me that from the beginning, I would have
he
called.
said he had someone coming.
I don't know that. I didn't call nobody.
Talk to him.
No, I didn't call him because I don't think I needed him to call anybody.
Yeah,
I'm calling now.
me too.
I was just waiting to get released on that. It's not like anybody could come rescue me. Listen, we live like 2 hours away. We don't live close.
I got you.
And I'm not driving nowhere.
I understand that.
You want to put like a GPS on me? You
No,
can.
I don't want to GPS anyway.
But like I can't go anywhere. I don't have a car. I don't have a vehicle. I can't even drive anywhere.
I understand.
You guys have my car. You guys have my license. You guys have.
It's not us doing it. It's not us doing it. It's
But you are
rules and
aware.
regulations that we have to follow.
But you are aware of that, right?
I am well aware of that. So, like I said,
Where am I gonna go?
I would like you to go
I
to
can't.
your house.
But I can't go to my house until somebody comes and picks me up here because I'm so far away.
all right. I'm just gonna have you sign this. Read this first,
Alright.
and then sign it if you want to take her. All right.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Okay. And then I just have to have you print the name and everything.
Go ahead and read this.
So
I'll just go
I would
through
read
it.
it.
I got
Yeah. It's basically saying if she drives in the next 12 hours, you could also get charged with.
Alright,
Yep.
that sounds good. I got you. Want to take a picture of this too?
Yeah. I can make you a copy after.
I'll just take a picture.
Okay.
That's fine. Alright.
And then I just have to have you fill that out and then sign. Yep. And then you just sign there, just saying that you're
Like sign
taking her. Yep. Yep.
Then,
That's it.
that's it?
Yep.
Alright, that sounds good.
Thank you. She'll be out in just a second.
Hello. Do you guys take credit cards or just cash only? Cash only. Alright, thank you. Bye.
These are your tickets. Do you want me to go through them with you?
No.
Okay.
I'll
The
just-
court date is July 19th, 2023 at 4 o'clock.
But this could get moved, right? If I have an
Yep, you
attorney.
could. So there's a
and they'll-
number. There's a number on the back of all of them. You could just give them a call or have your attorney give them a call.
Or even I can give him a call.
You can give him a call
And
and-
request for a pushback
Yep.
until I get an attorney and then.
Yep. Yep.
Or even the first court date, then I could get the attorney so I could just.
Yeah.
Okay. I will do that.
All right. right. Any questions?
No.
Okay.
Because he told me it's cash only now.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yep, no problem.
You got it.